Hello, good morning. Thank you for calling this Kayan Hotel. How may I help you?
I would like to take a reservation, please.
Okay, sir. May I know your name, sir?
My name is Carl Anthony Castillo.
Okay, sir. May I confirm your name, sir? C stands for Charlie, A stands for Alpha, stands for Romeo, L stands for Lima.
Yes, very well.
Okay, sir. May I know your contact number, sir?
Yes. Tell me if you're ready.
Yes, sir. I'm ready.
My contact number is 0991 686 and 6724.
Thank you, sir. How about your email address, sir?
My email address is castillo@yahoo.com.
Okay, sir. Thank you for your response. What is the date for your arrival, sir?
My date of arrival is on 1st day of March.
Okay, sir. How many nights do you stay in the hotel, sir?
I want to stay for 3 nights.
Okay, sir. For how many people will stay in the hotel, sir?
Only one.
Okay, sir. What type of the payment method did you prefer, sir?
I will be using my credit card.
Okay,
Is it
sir.
available on your device?
Yes, sir. It's available.
Yes, thank you.
What is the type of the did you have, sir? What is the type of the card did you have, sir?
The type of my credit card is American Express card.
Okay, sir.
Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
What what type did you prefer for the room, sir?
What room is available in your hotel?
Standards, deluxe. That that that's all, sir.
Okay, I will be taking the deluxe room.
Okay, sir. The deluxe room it costs 1,500, sir.
Yes.
Would that be alright to you, sir?
Yes.
Okay,
That's
sir.
okay.
May I know your card number, sir?
The card number is 1234 4321 1234 4321.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Is there anything special request, sir?
Yes.
What is that, sir?
I would like to have extra 2 pillows, 2 extra towels, and 1 red one.
Okay, sir. Is there anything, sir?
Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you for calling this Hotel. Have a nice day.
Yes, thank you. And fast.